Hey kids, today we're going to talk about making connections while you read. And I'm going to teach you a chant that helps you to remember 3 ways that you can make connections. The first one is text to self connections. You may have heard this before and you may think, why is this important? Well, when I'm thinking about the text and I'm thinking about my life, I'm trying to figure out how this book, how this story, how does it relate back to my life? Does it remind me of something that I've done or experience? Do I see myself in the character in the way that they act or feel or think? Do I see something happen in the book that's happened to me before? Anytime I'm thinking like that, I'm making a text to self connection when I'm thinking about my life and the text and how they relate to one another. The second kind of connection you can make is a text to text connection. That's when you're thinking about 2 books and how they relate to one another. Maybe you're reading a story and you think, oh, that makes me think of this book that I've read. Or this reminds me, I've read a story that has the same kind of character, same kind of problem. We can connect text that we read and it helps build bridges in this really fun reading journey. The third kind of connection that you can make is a text to world connection. These are big life event connections. When we read a book and we think, how does this impact or how does this connect to our world? The big picture. Maybe it connects to our world by taking care of the earth, how we can take care of the earth, or how we can treat and interact with one another. Anything that connects to the world or reminds you of yourself in the big picture of this thing called life, okay? So I'm going to teach you a chant. And I'm going to do it once and I'll put the words on the screen and then I want you to do it with me. And it tells you about all 3 kinds of connection that you can make, okay? It goes like this. Every time we read through a book, we can make connections. Take a look. Text to self is all about me. Connecting to my life is the key. Text to text allows me to know how books are alike. We can show. Text to world makes a link. Events in the world, we will think. So when you open a book to read, connect the text and you'll succeed. Every time we read through a book, we can make connections. Take a look. Text to self is all about me. Connecting to my life is the key. Text to text allows me to know how books are alike. We can show. Text to world makes a link. Events in the world, we will think. So when you open a book to read, connect the text and you'll succeed.